We got mail. The UPS driver has come, and this is Designs, and it's heavy. Let's see what we got in here. I really like Designs products. We have several. We use Biomatrix for our bioidentical hormones, and we use Quicksilver and Metagenics and Designs.
And transformation enzymes.
And we have our favorites of each of these products. So you usually get well-rounded, pretty much you probably use about every product if you come see us, because we have our favorites. Oh, and another box in a box. Interesting. This is a waste of trees. But there must be something glass in here. Anyway, if you're new to us, go like and follow us at Integrated Health of Indiana. And
We
let
put
us
more
know how
stuff
you
out
like these
on.
things.
We put more stuff out on Integrated Health of Indiana, but we do mirror
This is
these.
very well packaged. Oh, we got lots of goodies in here. Let's see. Stellar C. This is awesome. This is one of our foundational products. We love Stellar C.
We use that for adrenal, immune, runny noses, all kinds of stuff.
Lipoic Acid Supreme.
That is also used in our foundational products because it helps with fatty acid oxidation, energy production, and it's a powerful antioxidant.
So this is Mito PQQ. It's for your
Yes.
mitochondria, which are a powerhouse of your cells. It's your energy.
Mito PQQ will help you develop more mitochondria, so you get more energy.
And this is something new to me. I've never used this nor heard of it, but it's C plus BioFizz. I'm going to guess that that's going to be some sort of fizzy drink.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. I generally try things more. I'm a little more adventurous than she is, so I'm gonna try it out and see if that's something we want to use with our patients. It just makes taking your vitamins a little more fun.
So this is why that was packaged so well. This is glass. Ginger Tussin organic syrup.
Cough syrup. They developed a cough syrup.
And I'm not sure that anybody has a cough, so I'm not sure why we have that. And
'Cause we have-
liposomal D.
This is for children because we have children that have coughs.
Okay, we do have a little child that has a little cough. And Periopool. And I'm going to guess that that is a mouthwash, and I would like to see if
That
that
is
has
for your-
coconut oil in it.
It does. That's your oil pulling.
Yeah, I love to pull. I do coconut oil pulls on my teeth. But that is that, and then we have,
And her teeth are beautiful.
let's see, I really like my teeth, and I really like all the dentists that keep them in my mouth. So mag citrate powder, this is wonderful. If you have leg cramps,
Ooh, good catch.
you have constipation, this is good for all kinds of things. Sleep, it calms the nerves.
And muscles.
This is Amino Acid Supreme. It says that it's fruit punch flavored. They lie. This is horrid stuff. But the key is if you put it with a little lemon or orange, citric acid-y stuff, it tastes wonderful. And I drink this every morning. I think it tastes like baby shower punch, but I'm weird. Anyway, it's tolerable if you add it to something different.
We use that to help with neurotransmitters as well because it does a fabulous job of balancing out the neurotransmitters. So think of your neurotransmitters as your anxiety, depression, and those types of things because our foods, we prefer everybody to get their stuff out of food. But because our foods are so deplete of nutrition, that's why we have to supplement. And so that's one of our major suppliers of stuff. So
yeah, and I really this is probably one of my favorite companies. Of course, we have lots of new stuff in this box, but our tried and true, we have our favorites. Our amino acids is one of our favorites, and of course our Stellar C. But we'll let you know how all this stuff works. And we are Integrated Health of Indiana. You can phone us at 812-346-1757. Remember to like and follow us at Integrated Health
Of Indiana on Facebook
on Facebook
and YouTube.
and YouTube.